Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want viewers to click text or elements and open a website's email or another page, Canva lets you add hyperlinks quickly and easily. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a hyperlink in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your account, open an existing design, or click create and create a new one. Okay, so hyperlinks work in presentations, PDFs, and documents. So well, let's choose a for example, presentation. So you can add a link to text, buttons, shapes, images, icons. So click the elements you want to link. Okay, make sure it's highlighted. The elements must be selected before adding a link. So look at the top toolbar, click the link icon. Okay, chain symbol. Okay, and if you don't see it, click the more. Okay, and select link. Okay, so this opens the hyperlink field. In the link field, paste or type your URL and click apply. Okay, so the element now contains a clickable link. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial. Okay.